In this screencast I'll show you how to create a test in UniLearn. So go to Module Tools, click on Tests, Surveys and Pools. When that comes up, click on Tests. And then click Build Test. And I'll give this a name, GO1, and you can add a description, you could add instructions, and so you can give additional information to the students before they take the test. If there's particular things that you're going to do, for example setting a timer, whether you're going to force them to complete it in one sitting or whether you're going to allow them to log back in and complete it at a later time, and different things like that. Or if they need to answer all of the questions, just extra bits of information that you might want to give them. Press Submit, and it should come up with a window that looks a little bit like when we're creating a pool, except we have some extra information here. We have the description, instructions, the total questions, the total points. At the moment all of this is empty. So we can create a question by clicking on one of these options, or we can reuse a question. So we can find questions, or the thing that is really useful is to create a random block, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So click Create Random Block, and then click Pools, All Pool Questions, and click the pool that you're interested in. So I've selected Geography, and I've said give me all of those pool questions, and all 6 of those have come up there now. And I've shown how to make each of these in different videos. Press Submit. And now this has come up with a random block here, and it shows that there are a total of 6 possible questions in here, and that it's going to display one of those questions to the students when they take the test. I'm actually going to just change that to 2. Press Submit. I'm also going to update the points per question on here as well. I'm going to give 50 marks per question, and that should update. And now I've got a total of 2 questions in my test with 100 marks overall, 50 marks per question. And when a student takes this test, UniLearn will randomly pick 2 of the 6 questions in this pool as part of this random block. And that very simply is how you can make a test in UniLearn. Of course you can build it up to have lots of random blocks, and other questions can be brought in, and you can make it any way you want, but that is the basics of how you do this.